Hi, I'm Ethan.
Hi, I'm Lily.
We are your English creators,
We speak slowly and simply.
so you can practice easily.
Today, we are shopping at a grocery store.
Where's the milk?
Right here, next to the bread.
Great, that's all I need.
Then let's go slowly.
Lily, thanks for helping me.
Anytime, Ethan.
I forget things sometimes.
That's okay. We all do.
Let's take one bottle of milk.
Yes, one bottle is enough.
Cold milk, fresh milk.
It will be perfect for tea.
Now we need bread.
Yes, the bread is right there,
It smells so fresh.
like a small bakery inside the store.
I will take one loaf.
Soft bread is the best,
This will be my breakfast.
and maybe a little snack too.
Do we need fruits too?
Yes, fruits are healthy,
I like red apples.
and I like green apples.
Let's take both.
Good idea, Ethan.
2 red apples.
And one green apple.
Our basket looks good now.
Yes, simple food, simple life.
I like shopping slowly.
Slow shopping, no stress.
Just walking and talking.
Peaceful time together.
Do you need eggs, Lily?
Not today.
Okay, no eggs then.
Just simple shopping today.
Yes, light and easy.
I like days like this.
Let's go to the checkout.
Yes, we are ready.
Milk, bread, apples.
A perfect little list.
I will put them on the counter.
Okay, nice and slow.
Beep, beep, beep.
All scanned.
How much is it?
Here is the total.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you, Ethan.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too.
Fresh air feels nice.
Yes, very peaceful.
Thank you for shopping with me.
You're welcome, Ethan.
I like simple days.
Me too, very much.
Slow life, slow talking.
Slow English, happy heart.
Let's walk home slowly.
Yes, no hurry today.
I like quiet streets.
Me too, they feel peaceful.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, soft sunlight and a cool breeze.
Perfect day for simple shopping.
And soft talking together.
Lily, do you like cooking?
Yes, I like simple cooking.
Me too. Nothing too fancy.
Just warm food made with care.
Milk for tea.
Bread for breakfast.
Apples for a snack.
Healthy and easy.
Simple food feels kind.
Yes, kind to the body and the mind.
Look, we are home now.
Yes, we reached safely.
Let's put the groceries on the table.
Yes, nice and carefully.
Milk, bread, apples.
Everything looks fresh.
I will make tea.
I will slice the apples.
I like this kitchen.
It feels warm and homely.
Quiet moments are my favorite.
Mine too, Ethan.
Thank you for being here.
I'm happy to be here.
Slow tea, slow life.
Slow English, happy mind.
You know, Lily,
Yes, tell me, Ethan.
I think sometimes we rush too much.
Yes, and we forget to breathe.
But today we slowed down.
And everything felt better.
Even shopping felt peaceful.
Because we did it together.
And we spoke slowly.
So everyone can understand.
I like speaking like this.
Soft, simple, and kind.
Yes, like calm waves.
Or a gentle breeze.
Slow English feels beautiful.
And easy for everyone.
Step by step, word by word.
Just like our grocery shopping.
Lily, what was your favorite part today?
Helping you find the milk.
Laughing softly. Yes, I really needed that.
That's what friends do.
And my favorite part,
Tell me, Ethan.
walking slowly and talking softly.
That was beautiful.
This day felt calm.
Yes, really calm.
Slow days are special.
Because we feel every moment.
Milk, bread, apples.
And peaceful hearts.
I am grateful today.
Me too, Ethan.
Lily, the evening feels soft.
Yes, like a quiet song.
I can still smell the fresh bread.
And the apples are so sweet.
Simple things make me happy.
Me too, Ethan.
We didn't rush today.
Yes, we walked slowly.
Spoke slowly.
And thought slowly.
It felt peaceful.
Very peaceful.
Do you remember the first time we went shopping together?
Yes, you forgot everything that day.
Laughing softly, I remember.
But slowly you improved.
Slow steps are strong steps.
Yes, one step at a time.
Just like English.
Yes, speak slowly, understand deeply.
I like practicing English like this.
Yes, calm conversation, simple words.
Short sentences help a lot.
And slow speaking helps more.
Slow speaking helps more.
Everyone can follow easily.
And feel confident.
Confidence grows slowly.
But it grows surely.
Lily, what do you like about grocery stores?
I like the colors.
Yes, fruits and vegetables look beautiful.
Red, green, yellow.
Like a soft rainbow.
But inside a store. I also like the quiet music.
Yes, soft music, slow walking.
It feels like a small world.
A peaceful world.
Sometimes I think life is like a store.
How, Ethan?
We choose what we take.
Yes, we choose kindness and calm.
We choose simple moments.
And soft words.
Then life feels lighter.
And the heart feels warm.
Lily, do you ever shop alone?
Sometimes, but I like company.
Me too.
Talking makes shopping sweeter.
And slower in a good way.
Yes, slow is good.
We don't need to rush.
Not in life, not in English.
I think I learned something today.
What did you learn, Ethan?
That simple days are beautiful,
Yes, very beautiful.
and friends make them better.
I agree completely.
And slow English makes learning easy,
Yes, like a soft river.
flowing gently.
Peacefully, always.